Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Olivia. I am a stay-at-home mom to a 4-month-old baby boy, and I barely ever stay home. Obviously, I'm in my car. I'm actually in the Target parking lot right now. I wanted to start my vlog today here. Before I get into today's vlog, I wanted to mention the sponsor of today's video, which is BetterHelp. As you know, I am a new mom, fresh in postpartum, and I know a lot of you guys that follow me are also moms or soon to be moms, which congratulations either way. But with that being said, there are so many feelings and emotions that come with motherhood and postpartum. From the moment your baby is born, there's an extreme hormonal shift. There's so many feelings, so many good feelings, like just insane amounts of love and happiness, but there's also loneliness and anxiety and being scared and sadness and so much, and it's just all over the place. I personally haven't struggled too much past the first like 2 weeks. Those I did experience baby blues, and I was sad for no reason, it felt like. I am feeling very fortunate that I have not experienced any further depression with postpartum, but if you are feeling anything of the sort, you're not alone. It is completely normal, and I highly encourage you to seek help. Today's sponsor is BetterHelp, and BetterHelp is a platform that makes it easier to find help because it's remote, it's online, and all you have to do is fill out a few questions and you'll be matched with a therapist that suits you online. BetterHelp's mission is to make therapy more affordable and more accessible. Finding a therapist can be very hard when there's, depending on your area, if there's not multiple therapists, if there's not someone that matches what you need, what you're looking for. BetterHelp is the place to go because there are so many different therapists that you can really find and match with to help you. It's super easy to sign up and get matched with a therapist. I have a link in my description box below if you are interested, or you can go to betterhelp.com/Cantrell. Like I said, if you need help, I highly encourage you to seek help. BetterHelp is super easy. It's online. You can do it literally right now where you're sitting. Just if you're struggling, you're not alone, and BetterHelp is here to help you. Using my link helps support my channel, and you can get 10% off of your first month with BetterHelp to find a therapist. And what's great with BetterHelp, like I said, if you're matched with a therapist but it's not working out with that therapist, it's super easy to switch to a different therapist to find whoever helps you the best. I'll have that link in my description box below and on screen. It's betterhelp.com/Cantrell for 10% off of your first month with BetterHelp. And yeah, now I am going to go into Target because I have a few things I want to get, some basic like groceries. I'm gonna put this little guy in the baby carrier and we're gonna go into the store. I need to get some basics. I have like a meal service, so I don't need like meal groceries, but I need some like basics like milk, snacks, all that good stuff. I also need an eyebrow pencil, and I might get diapers because they have that diaper deal going on where I think you get like a $30 gift card. So yeah, someone's just learned how to scream, I guess. Ow. Also, you guys, I plan on cutting my hair in like a month because this and postpartum hair loss, no joke, along with everything else, my hair is falling out. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna get him in his baby carrier and we're gonna go into the store.
How many people I can say that I trust? Always been like this to me. Somehow I gave it all to you. I keep my cards held close to my chest. Takes me time to relax, I confess.
We are gonna get crafty when we get home. I'm excited. Okay. Hi. Hi, my most handsome. I'm back in the car. I got a pizza for lunch. I'll give you guys a haul when I get home. I didn't film a ton in there because it was kind of hard because he was sleeping, so I was trying to like hold his head so he wouldn't wake up to take his nap. And pushing the cart with one hand was like kind of difficult. So, yes, I'm like sweating because he's so hot. Hi. Did you get a nap in Target? I get so hot sometimes when I'm like carrying him in the carrier, so that was definitely happening because I'm sweating and he's probably sweating and I look so pale on camera. I'm gonna sit here and eat my pizza and feed him before we head home so that he's not hungry and I'm not hungry on the way home. Yeah. Back home, quick Target haul. So first I got Cohen these little onesies. They're perfect like fall colors. Just comfy little long sleeve onesie. And then I got him this set that I think is adorable. It's got little fall leaves on it, waffle set, so cute. Chicken bites. They just looked good, I don't know. Crafts, like this little wooden pumpkin. If you're on TikTok or on mom side of TikTok, baby TikTok, you'll see all the cute Halloween crafts with your baby's feet or butt. I got the stock pumpkin spice cold brew. It's so good. I got some frozen waffles. We got for like different crafts. I got this wooden pumpkin to do. I got this little embroidery kit. I'm gonna try to embroider one of these onesies with his name. Do you guys think I can do it? I don't know if I can. Got some toothpaste, paintbrushes for my crafts. Got this picture frame because on TikTok I saw this craft with their feet. It's like really simple and you put it in a picture frame and it's so cute. I'm gonna put all of the cold stuff away and then I might feed Cohen again because I don't know if he ate like well in the car, so I might just feed him again. He's playing on his activity center right now. He's getting a little mad at his toys, but I'm gonna quickly put the stuff away and then probably feed him again. And this lighting is really washing me out, so don't mind that. You guys, I got this little embroidered sweatshirt romper, bubble romper from Daffodilly. Look how sweet. It has his name. I got it in 69 months, so it's definitely too big right now, but I wanted it to fit when it's actually cold in Florida, and it's adorable. Has his name on it. It's such amazing quality. I love Daffodilly. They have such cute stuff, but obsessed. How freaking cute. Okay, this is the mess, so we're gonna clean this up because what the heck?
I complicate every situation, build up a storm with anxiety. Once you came into the equation, I became the best guy to me. Won't you stay a little longer? I've been missing someone like you. I know.
Okay, it is much later in the day. I changed into some comfy clothes. Cohen took a really good nap and he's now playing. I don't even know where I left off. I think I was straightening up a little bit and he was playing then. But I'm about to make a little pumpkin coffee pick me up. The ingredients, the stock pumpkin cold brew, and then I do add a little bit of just plain like this creamer because it's super pumpkin-y and I don't love the major pumpkin, but if I add a little bit of creamer it like balances it and it's so yummy. So mostly the coffee, cream and sugar creamer, and I just add like, oh, that was a lot. I did not mean to add that much. Dang it. Better than I expected. Little pick-me-up coffee. Super yummy. 10 out of 10. I thought I would go around and show you guys my fall decor I put out. I didn't film decorating this year just because I like bought a few things new and then pulled stuff from the attic and I just like put it up as I bought it or like got it. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a little fall decor tour. I have this little fall wreath. I've got some pillows going on. We've got this cute little guy up front. Love him. Got a little spider on his hat. Also, my house is a little messy. I need to straighten it up, so don't mind that. Got this little situation. We've got some pumpkins. Hi, Cohen. Hi, cutest boy. Hi, cutie. Set up these candy corn. I've gotten a lot of questions on Instagram about these. These are from Home Goods. Got this guy from Target. We've got those little fall napkins, another wreath. I switched that out because I felt like the vibe was so much better. Oh, This little kitchen runner rug, which I feel like ties into the fall decor so nicely, and it just is just a pretty rug. Basically all of the fall decor I did this year. Oh, and my little coffee area is like decorated. This is where I've been doing crafts. That is Cohen's little painted butt. First little bumpkin, so cute, but we've been doing crafts for the holiday season, having so much fun. Like I said earlier, I bought some more stuff to do some more different little crafts, which we might do here in a couple minutes, cause fun. Okay, I'm gonna try to make this like say Boo and then have his little feet prints. Hopefully it comes out cute. Should I paint this or just leave it? I feel like I should just leave it as wood. That would be cute. First, I have to attempt to paint the word, the first thing, which is the B. Oh my gosh, I'm not good at painting. Not that cute, but I feel like it's not that bad. I'm gonna go get my baby and get his little feet painted, and hopefully this comes out cute. I don't know. I feel like, hold on, let me go get a baby wipe. And go. Get all your toes on there. Oh no, it never comes out good. Dang it, what do I do? Oh my gosh, it never comes out good. I don't know, how should I do this? Maybe like this? Okay. Almost, that was like a little bit better, right? Oh wait, it's cute from a distance. Okay, not bad. I gotta wash his feet off. Be right back. What do we think? From a distance, I think it looks pretty cute. From like way back here, I think it looks pretty cute. Up close, you can definitely see we messed up. But I think it's pretty cute. Boo! Oh, and then, oh, I should have done them white and then made them like little ghosties. Whatever, that's okay. I think it's time for me to just straighten up my house. I'm not gonna talk anymore, and I'm just gonna straighten my house up or else I'm never gonna get it done, so yeah. Don't mind my parents also. My lips have been chapped for like 2 weeks. I'm like a little kid and I lick them when they're dry, and so it just gets worse and worse when I need to be putting chapstick on all day, which just reminded me I'm gonna go get chapstick before I start cleaning, but yeah, okay.
We don't got time to lose. It feels right when you hold me. I'm just a little less lonely. Sounds cliche, but it's true. I've been missing someone like you. I've had my share of the heartbreakers. Stop letting them in after the last figure. Somehow
I'm going to end the vlog here. I've got nothing else going on for the day, and I don't want to bore you with nothing, so I'm going to end today's vlog. I will see you in the next video, and yeah, bye.